Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Bitwarden Organizations for admin vault controls, full guide step by step clearly. To begin, open your web browser and navigate to the Bitwarden website. Once the site is loaded, locate the login button at the top right corner of the homepage. Click on the login button to proceed to the login page. Enter your registered email address in the designated field. Next, input your master password in the provided password field. If you have enabled two-factor authentication, you will need to enter the verification code sent to your authentication method. After entering all required information, click the Login button to access your account. Once logged in, locate the Organizations tab on the left sidebar. Click on the Organizations tab to view your available organizations. Select the organization you wish to manage by clicking on its name. You will now be directed to the organization's dashboard. Here, you can manage various settings and access admin vault controls. To add or remove members, navigate to the Members section. Click on Add Member to invite new users to your organization. Enter the email address of the person you wish to invite. Select the appropriate access level from the drop-down menu. Click on Send Invitation to complete the process. To manage vault items, go to the Vault section in the organization dashboard. Here, you can add, edit, or delete items as needed. To modify organization settings, return to the main organization dashboard. Locate and click on the Settings option. Make any necessary changes to the organizational settings. After finishing all adjustments, ensure to save any changes you've made. When you're done, log out by clicking on your profile icon in the top right corner. Then, select the Log Out option from the drop-down menu. This concludes the login process and organization management in Bitwarden. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.